In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit a ticket in Zendesk. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to fill in, and how to get a ticket created so it reaches the right person quickly. Start on your Zendesk dashboard. Make sure you're signed in with the right permissions for creating tickets in your workspace. At the top left corner of the screen, look for the plus add button. This is your starting point for creating new items in Zendesk. Click it, and a small menu will appear. From that dropdown, choose Ticket. This opens a fresh ticket form, and the layout may look slightly different depending on your organization's settings, but the core fields are the same. First, fill in the requester field. Begin typing the customer's name or their email address. Zendesk will search your contacts and suggest matches as you type. If the person isn't already in your system, you'll see a prompt to add them. Go ahead and create the requester with the minimal details your team requires. This step is important because the requester is who will receive updates and replies, so double check spelling and make sure the contact is correct. Next, set the S&E. You can assign the ticket to yourself if you plan to handle it, or select the specific group or agent responsible based on your team's routing rules. Picking the right assignee at this stage helps the ticket land in the correct queue and avoids delays. Now add a clear subject and a thorough description. The subject should be short but specific, like a headline that sums up the issue. In the description, provide the essential details the assignee needs to understand and act on the request. What's happening, when it started, what the requester expected to happen, and any relevant context the team might need to reproduce or diagnose the problem. Keep it concise but complete, and avoid including sensitive information that isn't necessary to resolve the issue. When everything looks good, it's time to submit. Head to the bottom right corner and click Submit as New or Submit as Open. New is typically used when a ticket is just created and not yet being worked, while Open indicates it's assigned and active. Choose the status that matches your workflow, and the ticket will be saved and routed accordingly. That's it. You clicked plus add, selected ticket, set the requester, chose an assignee, added a clear subject and detailed description, and submitted as new or open. Follow these steps each time, and you'll create tickets that are easy to triage, quick to resolve, and helpful for everyone involved.